All right, here we have Praxis carbon fiber crankset, 172.5, 50 by 34. These are carbon fiber. This is not. It's really light. I will weigh it for you guys, and I'll leave a description link and the specs of it down below, so you can check that out. Click on the link and browse it yourself, see how much it costs and stuff like that. So let's weigh them separately just so you guys can see. 166 grams, 234 grams, and 214. All right, this is gonna be a little bit challenging. Okay, let's see. Maybe try like this. Two hundred and 615 grams in total. Very good, very light. My original crank set is Praxis as well, but a lot cheaper, and cheapest model they offer, I think. I just didn't like the look of it. That's the only reason why I'm changing it. But I guess less weight is a bonus as well. What do you guys think about this look yourself?